Something that many people find difficult when they first initially buy their iPhone is how to easily find the downloads on their phone, and how these are hidden on their device to then share them. That is, how can I share downloads? Also send them through a social network like WhatsApp or Telegram when there is nothing specific. For example, when I am going to send a file through WhatsApp or Telegram and it tells me that I can only send photos or videos, but it doesn't say files, then this is where we need to do the following. We are going to look for the application called Files. That's what it's called. It's this first application that appears here. You will definitely have it installed on your phone unless at some point in your life you decided to delete it, but if you deleted it, you just need to go to the App Store. You need to search for App Store here as well, and it will appear. And you will search within the App Store for Files, and it will simply appear here for you to install it. It's this one here. Don't confuse it, because this is the official one from Apple. It says below the name Files, and then if we scroll down, many other alternatives will appear, so don't install those. Install this Files one. Once you have it, we are going to open it and the File Explorer will appear here. Here, it will simply be enough to go directly to where it says iPhone. When we enter iPhone, all the files we have downloaded at some point will appear here. If they don't appear here directly, we could go to where it says Downloads, the folder that appears here. Now, here we need to search by name if we know the name at the top, what we are looking for. For example, I could be looking for something from TikTok, so I put TikTok here and it will automatically load everything that has the word TikTok either within the file or within the file name. So, for example, 6 files appear here, even though only one of them, which is this one here, is called TikTok. The others appear because within the images, within the documents, it also detects where it says TikTok and it appears here. This is with any name, right? It's not because I searched for TikTok. So what happens now? When we are here, we might want to share these files, some of them. I want to share this one called TikTok data. So what I simply do is press and hold on it, and then this menu will automatically appear. Get info, uncompress in case it's a compressed file to see what's inside, then duplicate, quick look, copy, move, and we find the option we need, which is the share option. We select that option, and it gives us the direct option to share it wherever we want. We can add tags, etc., etc., but if we want to send it through a specific social network, we just have to swipe and look for the social network where we want to share it. Or, for example, we can also do it through Gmail. This time, let's do it through Gmail. We select this application, and our contacts or the emails to which we can send this file will appear right away, and it will be automatically attached. Look, the file is there, and I just need to enter the recipient's email address, then a subject. I can write hello, and the subject is TikTok file. Once all the information is filled out, the send button at the top right will be enabled. I click send, and I can send this file to the person I want. The same process works within WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Skype, or any other platform. When it appears, each one will show its interface. We need to select the contact or person to whom we want to send the file, and that's it, we can do it. This works for both Word files and videos and photos as well, such as and other media. We can easily and conveniently send them to anyone we want through any social network using our iPhone.